Hello friends, welcome to my channel Art and Attitude. Today I am going to do a quick basic makeup look. Step 1, face cleaning. So I am taking a wet wipe and cleaning my face. Next step is toner. So this is toner and let's spray it. Let it settle down on your face. Settle down your pores. Next step is moisturizer. So I am taking this Nivea cream and applying it throughoutly on my face. Now I am taking Fit Me concealer shade 20 and applying it on my eyelids. Now I am blending it. Blend it like this. You can take any setting powder or any talcum powder. I am taking talcum powder and just setting the base. I am taking this Revolution eyeshadow palette which has all these beautiful colors. For my hooded eyes, I am taking this light blue color and applying it on my eyes. I am taking this big fluffy brush. Now I am taking this purple color on my brush and making a V from outer corner of my eye till middle of my eye, and I am filling it completely. Now I am taking this white eyeshadow on my brush and applying it from inner corner of my eye till the middle of my eye like this. Now I am taking this glittery pink and applying it from inner corner to half of my eye. This is Lakme eyeliner. Now you can see I have applied thin eyeliner on both the eyes. This is primer, Maybelline Fit Me. According to my skin tone, I am taking this concealer. Just apply this concealer near eyes like this. Now I am blending my concealer. Now I am taking eyebrow definer and applying it on my eyebrows. Now we are taking foundation. Just tap like this, don't drag. I'm blending it. Now applying concealer on nose like this and forehead like this. Applying concealer on chin also. We are blending concealer now. Now you can use talcum powder or loose powder, but it will not give you any coverage. So I am using this Revolution compact powder. It will help in settlement and gives coverage also. Now we are applying blush. We are just tapping it. Now we are applying this blue kajal. Applied blue kajal on both the eyes. Now we are applying highlighter to cheekbones. Highlighting forehead, nose and chin. Applying lipstick now. This is sports setting spray which I will be applying. This is my makeup, but this is my final look. Hope you learned something new today. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.